बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। लाखों करोड़ों दरूद आका सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर और उनकी आल पर। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। Comfort from the certainty that at least we knew that each day was made up of 24 hours, full stop, a day, comma, we lightly stated, comma, had in it just 24 hours, never 23 and never 25, full stop. But were we right in thinking that we knew this to be the case? Question mark. Perhaps not, comma, for when the expert comes along, he informs us that a day lasts 48 hours and at the same time does not exist at all. Full stop. We open our eyes a little wider with surprise and ask, colon, inverted commas, start, how can such things be? Question mark, inverted commas, close, and we are given a quite simple reason, full stop. Para. As we all learned at school, comma, our earth is always turning away from the west, comma, and the nearer a place is to the east, the earlier is the hour of daybreak at that place, full stop. If, comma, for example, comma, we were living in a country at a point on the earth where the distance around the world is as great as it can be, comma, and we were to leave that country and go to another country which is, comma, let us say, comma, a little over 100 miles more distant from the west, bracket start, that is, comma, a distance of 1 under 24 of the distance around the world, bracket close, we would find that daybreak was an hour earlier in our new home than it had been in our old home, full stop. If we moved only 500 miles towards the east, we would find the difference to be only half an hour, comma, and if we moved only 50 miles, we would find the difference to be as little as 3 minutes, full stop. If we look at a table of lightening up times, we note that these times differ widely from different parts of the same country, full stop, but a long, comma, long ago, comma, before the present age with its planes and TV, comma, men found that any form of exchange between nations was made very difficult when there was no order in the method of stating the day in different parts of the world, full stop. So, comma, to make it possible for anyone in any part of the world to know just what time it was in any other part of the world, comma, the following course was agreed upon, full stop. Para. Man had already cut up the day into 24 hours, comma, and he now agreed to cut up the earth into 24 divisions, dash, each division, comma, of course, comma, measuring about 1000 miles at its widest point, full stop. The time over the whole of each division was to be the same, comma, the time is in each division differing by just 1 hour from the time in the next division, full stop. We, comma, therefore, comma, have a system nearby whereby the minutes and the seconds are the same all over the world, comma, but the hour is 1 hour earlier for each division as we move towards the east, full stop. Para. No, we will say that in the first of these divisions, New Year's Day begins full stop. Hour by hour, New Year's Day reaches and pass through one.